Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to skip a meta-verified waitlist. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Here, go to your profile. Then tap on Menu on your top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. In this list, you'll find the option of Request Verification. Tap to open it. If you have already sent a verification request, here you'll see the option to skip the waitlist. You just need to tap on it. Also, you can add additional links to social media if you want. Once you're done, tap on Submit to proceed your request. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.